Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay. Oh, by the way, what's your scores this after this morning, Keo? You tell me, please. The scores this morning, Keo. Buenas, Keo. Pilit na. Okay.
Okay.
What happened, Keo?
I don't know. My internet is okay. Nothing wrong with it.
Okay, you are doing like that. You freeze.
Freeze?
Yeah, you freeze. Okay, so I will share you for a while.
No, I see you free.
No, I didn't freeze. You freeze.
What? But why I see you free?
Teacher is freeze. I saw you also. You're doing like that.
You are doing like this.
You're not moving.
You're
I
not
didn't.
doing anything
Oh,
because I can.
really? Yeah, the same with
Yeah.
me. Okay, for a while. Okay, I will share now. Okay, here. Okay, now, Keo, you are going to have this morning we've been through with 7.2. Okay, so I told you this morning about your assignment that you will have to email a friend about what is it again? The one we study? You will email a friend about. Do you still remember that? You will email a friend about this morning, the one
I
we
don't
studied.
remember that.
Okay, so you have said that you have to email a friend about the things that wait for a while. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, so we're going to make another sentence here, writing. Okay, so after our writing, we only have few sessions left for writing. After this, we will use another materials. Okay, here are some sentences about getting a job. Oh, you know what is job, Gail, right?
Yeah. Job like mechanic and something like that.
Okay, Lex mechanic. Okay. So when you get a job, of course, you cannot get a job if you did not study. If you don't have education, okay, you can get a job, but you will not be paid a lot because you did not study. Okay. So for each questions, complete the second sentence. You know already what to do this. Okay, Kayo? Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, of course. Whoa, by the way, what's your scores? You tell me your scores first. Scores.
2,677.
2006. Okay, now. Okay, here. How to approach the tasks. Okay, number one here. You answer this, please. Read and answer. Filing in a job application form doesn't take long. It doesn't take you long to, it doesn't take you long to, it doesn't take you long
Filling in the job.
to file in a job application. Okay. It doesn't take you long to file in a job application. Okay, look at number 1, Kayo, check. It doesn't take you long to blank in a job application.
To filling.
To file only, to file in a job application. It's raining here, Kayo.
I got the answer.
Okay, let's see. Filing in a job application form doesn't take you long. Okay, the answer? Number 1? You will not change number 1?
Yeah, I will never change number
Okay,
1.
I will never change teacher. Okay, the answer is to fill. Okay, it doesn't take you long to fill in a job application. Kuman ako.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Number 2, at a job interview, you will want to know what jobs you have done before. At a job interview, you will or you want to know, actually this is wrong grammar. This is not supposed to be they will
Yeah.
want. Okay, this is not
Yeah.
included. Wrong
Because
grammar.
I say it's do it, but I think it's wrong, then I don't do it
Yeah, it's
anymore.
wrong. At a job interview, they want to know what jobs you have done before. Okay. At job interview, they will ask what jobs you have done before. Very good, Kayo. Correct. Number 3, it's important to arrive at work on time. It's important to arrive at work on time. Okay? It
Yeah.
is.
Is it good or right?
What's the answer? It's important. What's your answer? Not to arrive. Okay. It's important to arrive at work in time. It's important not to arrive late for work. Very good. Correct. That's correct. Number 3. Number 4. Some people like working outdoors more than working inside. Again, some people like working outdoors to working inside. Answer is Like,
The answer
okay.
is like.
Some people like working. Okay, your answer, Kiyo, is actually correct. Some people like working outdoors than working outside. Okay. At some firms, firm stops are given free uniform. Number 5, some firm give their staff free uniform. Not are given, give only. Okay? Okay? So you've got 3 points. Okay, you put it there. Okay, here, wait for a while. Okay, here. So you will have prefer. Okay, what do you mean by the word I prefer using that? Okay, it means the word
Like,
prefer, it means to like,
it's like
choose.
something more than something like I prefer
Yeah.
something and
Yeah, very good. Like, I prefer playing football than playing basketball, like that. You understand? You understand?
yes.
Okay, like, I prefer red wine to white. Or, he prefers watching football to playing it. Okay, like, I'd prefer not to discuss this issue. Okay, I'd prefer you not to smoke. Okay, you understand? You understand, Keo? Yes, okay, teachers. Okay, now here. More examples. Some people prefer a vegetarian diet while others prepare a meat-based diet. Okay. I'd prepare not to work, but I don't have much choice. I prefer not to work, but I don't have much choice. Like that. Most convalescents prefer to be cared for at home rather than in the hospital. You can detach the hood, get the hood, if you prepare the coat without it. Or I will say, Keo, I prepare eating a burger than eating sandwich. Like that. So I will choose. Do you understand this word, Keo? You understand this?
Yes,
Okay. Here.
I understand that.
Okay, so here in part 2, you are going to be absent from your English class next week. Write a note to your English teacher. Okay, you will be absent because you will attend a wedding. Okay, sample only. So you will have, in your note, you will say,
Sorry.
explain why you are going to be absent. You explain. Next,
Yes,
apologize or say sorry to your teacher. Next, ask your teacher for information about next week work. What will be the work next week, teacher? Okay, and then you will do like this. Okay, look at this one. Dear Mrs. David, I think I will be absent from English class next week because next
right.
week is my best friend's birthday. So I have to go to his party. I'm really sorry it won't happen again. Can you tell me about next week's work? I have to be ready. Guangsuo. Okay, so this is how you will do it. First, you will have to tell that you will be absent next week and you will tell the why. Okay, look at this, Kayo. This
Yes,
one is, okay. This, I think I will be absent from English class next week because this is wrong. There should be no next week because it's my best friend. Okay, you will say, I think I will be absent from my English class next week because it's
but
my, okay,
today
it's
why
my
can
best friend's birthday. Oh, do not use
teacher
next week anymore. This is repeated. Why?
today uh can we say today
Yeah, I will be absent today, like you will say.
I can't attend class today because I am in my friend's birthday.
Oh, you can say that one. Okay, you can write that. You can use that one. Okay, but always remember. Look at this one. This teacher and I think I will be absent from English class next week because next week this is wrong. Do not repeat the words. It's already repeated. Come again. Repeat, repeat. No, it's wrong. Okay? Next
Okay.
week because it's my best friend's birthday. Okay. You make your sentence like this. I know. Letter. Okay? Okay.
Never.
Okay. You write it in the chat box.
Okay.
Kayo, I will go to the
Ah,
bathroom for a while. Okay, you answer please and tell me later. I will go to the bathroom just a while. Ouch. Okay, Kayo?
okay. I don't finish.
Okay, where is it?
I don't finish.
You're not finished. Okay, finish it.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, let's see. Where is it? Ah, dear Mr. David, I can't be in class today because, oh, look at the spelling of because. Okay, there is no A. Okay, because is here. Because I have to go to my friend's birthday. So I have to go to his party. I'm really sorry. I will complete the homework tomorrow. Very good, Keo. Okay, that's the spelling of because. Look at that one. Look at that one.
Oh,
That's the spelling of because. Okay? Okay.
okay.
Okay, very good. Okay, don't forget to put a period. Okay, so after this, Keo, okay, I will give you 10 points. Please add 10. Okay, very good. Now, here, write an answer to one of the questions. It's 7 or 8. In this part, write your answer in about 100 words, okay? Write an answer to one of the questions, 7 or 8. In this part, write your answer in about 100 words on your answer sheet, okay? Mark the question's number in the box at the top of your answer sheet. Write your answer in about 100 words on your answer sheet. Mark the question's number in the box at the top of your answer sheet.
Oh,
Okay, here. Okay, here. This part of the letter you received from your new pen friend, Jenna. I've got one close friend who I spend a lot of time with. What about you? Tell me about your friends. How important are they to you? Okay. Okay, you will write a letter to Jenna. Oh, it's only example, Jenna. You can change about your friends. Okay, what are your friends? You have to write in 100 words. That's too many, Keo. But do not make it in 100 words like this. Look at the example like that. Okay, please read the example and you will have to write a letter about that. Dear Gina, okay, not Gina, example, Peter, who are your friends? Ben, Lani, Jane, okay. How are you? Long time no see. I have many friends. As my mother always says, friends are important in my life. As I spend most of the time at work, I have plenty of friends here and there. being friends, we can help each other. You will tell in the letter that you will play football, you enjoy the football in the Kika, who are your best friends, or you will tell there. If I have personal problem, friends are important in that moment. They can advise me about life so we can't live without friends. Okay, so you will have to tell me there about anything like, okay, so you have to tell about uh, what happened to your football club. Did you enjoy? What did you do in the morning? Oh, everything that you did about your friends. Okay, this is about your friends, okay? Okay.
Okay.
This is about your friends. Everything about your friends. Okay, you write in here and I will give you, if I can see it's nice, I will give you 20 points. Okay, write everything about your friends. Remember that. Like what you did every morning, you go and ride a bike, like that.
It can be difficult.
Yeah, anything just like, dear Jillian, dear Ben, okay, how are you? You know what I enjoy? Oh, you just just tell a story. Like what you did to me, you tell only.
Okay.
Okay, anything you want to tell. Ikaw mo uban?
Let me cross.
Okay. Nagpanti ka?
Okay. What do you say?
Keo, look at here. How are you? Look at the letter H. Start with big letter capital. I have lots of friend here. Now, very good. Look at I. Always remember I start with big letter. I'm very, and there is apostrophe here. There is a here. Apostrophe. I'm very happy. Okay, next. One day, then, big letter. Sorry. Then, one day, I joined the Kika team. I am, big letter Q, I am very happy with that. Okay, period, very good. If you want to join, you can be my team too. Okay, very good. Like this. Then you have here, best wishes, Kiyo. Okay. Best wishes, Kiyo. Okay, so like this. So look at this. All you have to do, Kiyo, is you will have to, every start of the letter, don't forget it start with big or capital letter. Do you understand? Capital letter, okay? Can you see big letter, letter H? And I, Kiyo, this one I, it should always be on the where? It should always be on the big letter. Big letter, Kiyo, don't forget that. Big letter always, okay? You understand? You understand, teacher? Okay? And if you will say like this, I'm, don't forget if you write I'm, what's that? You have to put here, it's I'm like this. When you say I'm, or like this, okay, sorry. I'm big letter, not small. I'm, look at this apostrophe, I'm, like that, okay? Don't forget that, Keo, okay? Okay, Keo?
If I okay, let me try. If
Okay. Okay, I'm. Okay, you try I'm. Oh,
I'm doing that, I did it.
oh, let me say. Where is it?
Yeah,
Where?
I'm writing it.
Ah,
Yes.
I'm.
Where? Oh, it's in the t-shirt of the girl.
It's in the t-shirt of the girl. Ah, like that, yeah. Here, oh, that's it. That's I'm. That's the short. Okay, that's the contraction. We call it KO contraction because there is this I am. If you want to have contraction, like you will, contraction mean you will cut it, make it shorter. You will do it like that. This contraction of I'm. Do you understand? Always remember I or I'm Big letter, okay? Big letter. Yeah.
Start with the big letter.
Yeah. Big letter, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we have here, very good. Okay, add 18 points. Very good. Please add 18 points.
18.
Yeah, 18, 1, 8.
Okay. I added already. I add 18 already.
Okay. So you add it already. So now we have
Yeah.
here. Okay, so I will just read. I will not let you write because you've been writing. Okay, you've been writing 2 letters already. And that will makes you good because you keep on writing a lot. Very good. See, if you did not write, okay, you cannot do the writing, cannot practice. So it's very nice if you write. Okay, I will not let you write this. I will just explain. Okay, so we have here some of the tests. Okay, look at this. This is about, okay, the English teacher has asked, write for homework. Your story must begin. Okay, this is about the story of it was getting dark and I was completely lost. Okay, have you tried, Kiyo, that you were outside and it's dark already? Have you tried it?
Nope.
And you are scared because you were almost lost? Have you tried it?
No.
Okay. Maybe if you try it, you will keep on crying. Okay, we have here. It was getting dark and I was completely lost. I knew that I was in the wood. Oh my God. But I could not find my way. I tried to use my mobile phone. Look at the spelling of try. This is wrong. It's I. I tried. Okay, this one. This is I. Okay, this one is I. It's not Y. Okay. I tried to use my mobile phone, but there was no signal because the person is in the wood. I was about to cry. Oh, when I heard a very strange and gloomy noise. Oh, it was coming from the darkest corner of the wood. Oh my God. At first, I saw nothing. But after a second quick look, oh, because she's very scared. I realized there was something which was gazing at me. Oh my God. Okay. Despite the fact of which this one which it's there's the there's H here, which was gazing. You know what is gazing?
No.
You know the
What
word
is
you know the word gazing? You know what is that? You know what word is that? Gazing is looking. There was something looking at me. Despite the fact that I knew it was time to run away, I was totally unable to move. I was sure it was the end when I saw the forest officer coming. Oh my God. So it was who is in the gloomy, who has this strange and gloomy noise? Who is that? It's the, who do you,
officer?
it's the, who is that, Kuya, Keo? It's
Police officer.
the forest officer. It's not a monster. It's the forest officer. But the girl thought it was really a monster and she keeps on. She was almost running away. Oh my God. Yeah. You understand this, Kayo? You
Yes.
understand? Yeah, of course. So how about if you think like that? What do you think will be your reactions?
Scared. Then I almost went away.
Okay, so you will almost went away. Okay, so you almost went away. So of course, because you keep on you keep on running. Maybe because you are scared. And even Teacher Anne, of course, I will be scared also if I will be in the dark. Because me and my other teachers, we were in the camping, KO. We are in the camping. And then we went to other house. This is quite far from our school. So we just walked, the three of us. And then we found out that it's very dark because outside there are no lights. Then we were in the camping with the other kids, a lot of students. So we go there in the other house to get something. But then when we go on our way going back to school, there is a very noisy sound that is at the back of us. You know what we do? What we do? We keep on running as if we run so fast. Me, my other two teachers keep on running. And you know what? When we are in front of the school, there's light already because it's in the school. You know is that? When we turn back, you know what is that? It's only a goat. Oh, it's only the goat. But we already keep on running. We really keep on running because we are scared and we thought it's yeah, we thought it's a monster, but all of the way, it's not a monster. It's a goat, and the goat keep on the sounds of the goat is like that. It's not me. It's not like that. The goat sound is like that. So we keep on running all the way. We had the goat made us strict about that one. Oh, so that's our experience. So even though we have the camping, we will not go out anymore because we are really scared. Me and my other two teachers, three of us. Okay. So now, Kio, we don't have enough time. So I will be seeing you tomorrow. So how much? Okay. For this, I will give you, okay, what's your score? I will give you another 5 points. Please take note of your score. What's your scores now?
2,713.
Okay. So for now, Teacher Ann will say goodbye, Kio boy.
Bye, teacher.
Okay.